Hello, I'm John, nice to meet you, and I'm an English teacher who lives in Ireland but originally from the UK. So my accent is actually British, and as a teacher I've specialised in teaching conversational English. So I like to focus on pronunciation, intonation, sentence structure and grammar, and combine those with listening skills, speaking skills, reading skills. In my teaching style, I like to have interactive games with words, sentences, role plays. I like to do that as well. And I really try to focus on being patient with them and letting them empower themselves to create their own answers, and then maybe guide them towards more progressive solutions if they're not actually quite sure about how they want to express themselves with English words. So I like to have my lessons relaxed but also focused as well. So my experience, well, I have a lot of experience. I've taught all ages, starting from kindergarten all the way through to adult. I've taught in public schools, in private academies, also in English villages and English camps. Now, with all of those combined, my teaching experience comes to around 15 years, or maybe a tiny bit more as well. So some of my notable experiences are teaching students how to bake cookies or make pizza in English, worked with working holiday students from universities, and I've worked with teachers to try and help them teach better English as well. So that's some of the things I've done. I've done quite a few others as well. So if you'd like to know more about me, please ask me any more questions and I'll be very happy to accommodate you. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.